here is our Husqvarna Vitpilen 401. It's a late November 2023 73 plate machine, so not even a year old, with just 1100 miles on the clock. So as you can see and as you'd expect, it's in wonderful condition throughout. This bike comes with some brilliant features, helps it stand out a little bit from the crowd. So it comes complete with a genuine rear grab rail. We've also got a lovely front fly screen along with a front radiator guard. And we've also got the lovely tail tidy. But on top of that, it has a full genuine decal exhaust system, and it also has the upright handlebar conversion. Both genuine items, both supplied and fitted by the main supplying dealership, so it's all been done properly and the original parts are included. Now what this does is it makes what is really an uncomfortable bike much more comfortable. Obviously based on the KTM Duke, it's a wonderful platform, and now with these features it makes it an even better bike, and at our price it's great value for money. Now we've got both keys present. It's had its first service carried out by the main supplying dealership as well, so it's still under manufacturer's warranty and too new to require an MOT. I'll take you now in an up close view of the bike. So here it is, our Vitpilen 401. A late 23 73 plate machine with just 1100 miles on the clock. So lovely low miles. As you can see, it's in brilliant condition. So as we mentioned, we have the wonderful little fly screen. It's had the genuine upright handlebar conversion done. Just makes it a lot more accessible, a lot more comfortable. All the original kit is included. We've also got the genuine full decal system. Runs a lot better, sounds a lot better, better performance. The original exhaust is included. We've also got this nice front radiator guard, as you can see. Also comes with the lovely rear grab rail and tail tidy. As we mentioned, it's had its first service done, still under manufacturer's warranty and too new to require an MOT. Brilliant all-round bike, obviously A2 compliant, so they make a brilliant first bike. Also very light and nimble, ideal for the everyday commute, but also lots of experienced riders own these because they're also brilliant for a sunny ride out. So they really do cater for a wide audience range, and you can get a lot of bike for great value. As you can see there, just 1,157 miles on the clock. So real lovely low miles. Nice halo LED front headlight. So thank you very much for taking a look at our Vitpilen 401. Part exchange is welcome. We also offer finance and PCP deals along with nationwide delivery. Now we do operate a viewing by appointment basis here at Matt Williamson Motorcycles. That just helps us make sure we can give our customers adequate time when they come to the showroom, and also helps avoid any disappointment if you come to view a bike that has already sold. So if you do require any more information at all, or would like to arrange a viewing, then please just do feel free to get in touch.